AI for Google Workspace is an artificially intelligent assistant that's now coming baked into Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, Gmail, and Meet. So if you have those systems on your school setup already, these will start to roll out soon, and you'll see to the side a small panel where you can input what you require. So in Google Docs, for example, you might type out that you need to create, to use a work example, a resume, and this will then go away and build that for you using information that is relevant to you. So a bit like templates, but in a much more finished version, which should take the time out of it for you. This also works in Slides. You could create images, literally generating images from scratch by typing the terms you want. You could use Sheets to build spreadsheets, perhaps planning out your school trips for the year and having columns dedicated to whether or not parents have to sign a form for that trip, for example. You just type in kind of what you want and it will generate that. It will create the columns and it'll build the whole sheet for you. So it's early days for this technology in general. It's rolling out in various tools, but this is the first kind of major example of it appearing in a huge Google rollout. So expect it to grow and change and improve as it's used more, but at this stage it does represent a useful way to create using Google tools without costing you as much time. But it could also represent issues where students could use Google Docs, for example, to create work that's written largely by the AI rather than by themselves. Within Docs there is a sort of proofreading panel, so it makes suggestions, and that could be useful because it could allow students to sort of see ways that they can improve their work and they can okay the suggestions, so they're learning as they're producing this.